So,
yes.
I wanted to talk about the healer.
Healing the healer, Mtomdala.
Yeah.
Healing the healer, Kesalam. It's something that is very close to my heart.
Okay.
It's something that is very close to my heart, and I teach more about it on my program.
Inkinga inkulu la ngaphandle mkhulu uzongivumela or ungiphikisa mawungiphikisa silimele.
Yes kaku pathanani silimele and uyayibona social media but bayayifihla umuntu uyayifihla ake ngikhipha igama ulimele umama kakhulu ulimele. That's why they are able to say angisaseyilokhu mina namhlanje angisaseyilokhu ya abantu abadala manje phathanani we need to be honest sebafana nezambatho right abantu abadala the gift that you have isifana nezambatho ngendlela enjani we can put it on we can take it off.
There's a statement I want to read for you. Yes. And I need your thoughts.
Okay.
It's based on what we are talking about.
Okay.
We need to be healers.
Yes.
Capable of reconciling families. What's your thoughts on this statement?
That's what I seek.
You know, it just reminded me something. You know, I will be in my house, running around in the house, like by myself.
Yes.
And I will leave the office on Friday, go to a poker store from this airport.
Yes, obviously.
Get myself bottles of champagne or wine.
Yes.
Friday. I'll be in the house Friday until Sunday.
Yes.
The only time I'll go out is Monday when I'm taking the kids to school, going to work.
And that time is necessary.
And I used to, I can go. I've got a lot of people I know. I can go anywhere.
Yes.
But that moment, like, no, I just want to be. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Pathanani Mbata. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Pathanani, I am your chef of course, and I'm joined by my friend. Yo, dala ngikufuna la.
Gade washo vele.
Dala ngikufuna la. Sinibona kude ema TV kuphi namhlanje unamla. Let me not take a shine away from him. Please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where you from? What's special about you? And you can leave your numbers if you want because you never know after the episode.
Hey, ngeke kwazi vele.
Yeah.
Ngiyokhiphela inye igama abantu abangalazi. NgoMichael wakamazibuko. Ngumwelasi umzimba mina ngangena nesikhune emazini ngaphuma leso sivutha umuntu omdala ngakho ngenyanga anyway engiphelele kunomhlaba umuntu omdala I've been roaming around this I think ngihambile ke hlala ngihambile so a prophet does not have a home uhlala yonke indawo you know what I mean bakususela bakuhlalisele anyway I mean ke kodwa I'm formerly known obviously as umkhulu Qheba.
Okay.
Which is it's a Zulu, it's a Xhosa name. Laza ngezinye indlela nakhona but yeah known as Mkhulu Qheba. My number one is 065-812-8308.
Okay.
And on TikTok obviously Mkhulu Qheba. Then I'm not on Twitter, I'm not on Instagram, Facebook not so much. Yeah, I'm not in the village.
Wow, thank you so much for joining me.
No, thank you for having me.
No,
actually.
thank you. Because
yes, I had to honor the
it's you
invite.
guys enenza izinto zenzakale uma nginimema nibe khona nize ngoba le show lena akusiyo eyam eyababukeli abasuke bebukele so uma becela nabo kumele ngibalalela angizenzeli mina show.
True, I think I remember there's someone who posted, I think it was on your live.
Yeah.
Somebody said, please invite Mkhulu Qheba. I think I saw there was quite a number of those as well.
So, you know, those things, I listen to them.
Yeah.
So, usichazile ukuthi ungubani ubuyaphi guys and yamazi nokeke Mkhulu Qheba.
Yes.
He always on our lives if he's available.
Yes.
And yeah, And Mkuqeba, I am so excited, and I want to say thank you to God. Ngibonge izinyanya zakiti as well, zakabo mama nakabo bashojalo, right? Because we've got a partner now in the show,
Nice.
Data Bank.
Data Bank.
Yes, Data
That's
Bank
nice.
is a platform where you can register
Okay.
your information, your data, name, and then they will verify, of course. Once it's verified, you're gonna get a unique code.
Okay.
And Data Bank, your nugget, they will use a smart system to access that information and tell you how much the information you shared with us evaluation, how much.
Oh,
you
okay.
understand?
I see.
Because your information is about time. Your information makes money for you. You understand?
So I share information, I get money in return.
You get money in return. And then how are you getting that money in return? Remember, companies, they want information like your insurance company.
Yes,
your
yes.
what. So we're always getting calls, information here too, and you're not getting anything in return. So Data Bank is there to make sure that you are in control of your information while you are making money. And we also got the reward system where if you refer Upatanani to this
Data
program,
Bank,
yes, you get something.
Okay.
Because you'll give them your unique code, and then they'll use that unique code to register their profile. And you register is free of charge, no monthly installment whatsoever. I will tell you more about it. So,
Yes.
I wanted to talk about the healing, the healer.
Healing the healer, mntomdala.
Yeah.
Healing the healer, Kehlalam. It's something that is very close to my heart.
Okay.
It's something that is very close to my heart, and I teach more about it on my program. Oftentimes, we focus on ingulo yabantu abadala ephethe uphathanani. We don't focus kwingulo yakho phathanani. Incwadi le, it's a story of the things that you went through. As uMichael, mina self, right? There's a lot of things that I went through. Bese kuza abantu abadala. Alright, makuza abantu abadala ngize kuwena phathana ngithi lalela Khehla, hey man, abantu abadala bavule kuthiwa hayi kwamele uyothwasa. Alright, mangiyothwasa sekubheke ini kakhulu kubhekwe ingulo yabantu abadala. You are neglecting me as uMichael because I have my own traumas that I went through. There's things that happened to me, right? Emotionally, psychologically, and right? Who is going to heal me? Kala. And this is overwhelming kwabantu abaningi wena muntu omdala ngoba we find others bayayikhunga bayayibulala because this is overwhelming. Because remember, abantu abadala baza with their own traumas on top of your own traumas now. So now everything nje isiba iningi, it becomes too much to a point where you feel like sengiyayeka yonke lento le. Sengiyayeka lento le. Right? So we don't focus on healing the person before. Uyayithola lento le. uMichael mekhula, I was emotionally abused by my dad. I was physically abused and I still carry those traumas. I still carry rejection. I have fear of abandonment. I have fear of this. I have fear of that. I have fear of that. Kodwa mase ngifike ephehlweni ke base bayiyeka yonke lento le. Sekuyobhekwa ini? Sekuyobhekwa manje ingulo yabantu abadala. Anibheki ingulo yami. I cannot carry well abantu abadala while I am not well myself. It's impossible, mntu omdala. Uyayibona lento le. So into this is touching to me because it's personal and it's things that I went through. And abantu abadala, the way bangifundisa ngakhona izinto wena phathanani, if I can tell people ukuthi the way ngingaphila ngakhona, abaningi babelieve. Uyayibona. But it's the process that I needed to go through. It was my healing that I needed to go through. Uyayibona into engishoyo. Abantu abadala, I was aware ukuthi bakhona. I knew ukuthi mina nginaso isiphiwo. Right? But then abantu abadala bathi wena ngoba singeke sikuyise kumuntu. Sizozilungisela wena self. However, we need to isolate you. Ngahamba ekhaya phathanani over 10 years bangazi ukuthi nguphi. Ngana phone nganani. Ngahamba ngahlala edrobheni. Right? So the separation that needed to happen, especially from my mom, and my mom, this month actually, on the 8th, it'll be 25 years since she's gone. All right? So bamsusa umama I'm not saying it was a good thing. Umama wayegula vele washona, right? But I was also separated from the people that I love and the people that loved me. Uyayibona? So that abantu abadala uma sengipholile, I can carry them well. It's all about carrying abantu abadala well, kehlalami. Uyayibona into engishoyo? A lot of people into ezenzakalayo manje, we see, actually I actually laugh mangipheka mo TikTok mntomdala. I laugh at most of the time. Yazi uthi ya resign or like hi. Why biza wena? Singakayi ukuthi why biza wena? The contract that you signed, how can you revoke it? Ngoba eyesimoya. How can you revoke it? How can uvuke namhlanje hayi yazi mina phathanani mina hayi angisasomkhulu qheba mina. Sengilokho. It's because you're never there to begin with. Singayi ukuthi abafethu, we need to call a spade a spade. You were never that. Uyayithola into engishoyo. If umkhulu qheba, mina personally, I knew about my calling while I was young, 7 years old, and I knew 3 years before my mom passed away ukuthi uzoshona. Ngatshelwa. Ngazilela uma before uma eshona. But umkhulu specifically, umkhulu qheba, and remember I didn't know who's this umkhulu qheba. I'm thinking I'm talking to myself. Uyayibona lento le. Athi ungatshele umuntu. Ngithula ngithi tu phathanani. Kodwa bayehlezi bayengibona ngikhala, kodwa ngingasho ukuthi ngikhalelani. Wahamba uma. Uyayibona lento le. So uma usuhamba ke uyothwasa, who's going to heal me? The person. I need to go through a process of healing. That's where also psychologists come in. Abanye abantu before bangene ephehlweni, uyabona ukuthi lo muntu unenkinga engqondo. Let them see a psychiatrist. Inkinga esinayo manje phathanani, it's politics of the stomach. Sisicabanga lento le. Hayi, akangena umkhulu qheba, yasengiyazi ukuthi 15,000 sekakhona. So now 15,000. Kodwa lengane yabantu uma isiphuma la, awuyicabangeli. Uyayibona lento le. Majority of the people that come to me, kehlalami, it's mostly people that are gifted. It's mostly self-initiates. It's mostly abantu abathwasa. But mntomdala nginenkinga. Kunje ngithi ayilalela before anything else, mina la ekhaya siyahlola. Kuhlole ukuthi hayi ngibona ukuthi hayi man, inkinga la. Uthwase right wena. Kodwa you were neglected. Ubuwena bakho. Phathanani was not healed. They were focusing more on ingulo yabantu abadala. Phathanani was not healed in that instance. Uyayithola ngithi I was. And the simplest thing you do mntomdala is to show love kumuntu ongahilanga properly. You show love to this person. Uyayithola lento le. So it's a lot kehlalami.
Wow. My Munchies, I hope you are still with us, and kubalulekile ukuthi uphole wena ungumuntu before uyopholisa ingulo yabantu abadala.
Yep.
And mkhulu qheba, I think that's why lezi zizakala ku social media esizibonayo.
Yep.
Ukhulume ngokuthi abanye bathi baya resign.
Yep.
I think that's another reason ukuthi kunento that was neglected.
Yes, in that person. Abanye abantu kehlalami uyibuke kanje lento le. They like attention. Because they were never given attention as kids. So it's like social media for likes and comments. If they don't get a certain number of comments, there's a problem. They feel something. But also remember, lento, it goes generation to generation, right? Awunegwanga attention when you were neglected. Maybe your mother was neglected. Maybe your father was neglected. Maybe their father's fathers. Maybe. So this root, it needs to be dealt with. It needs to be cut, mntomdala. Right? But how is it cut? We are cutting it so that it can bear good fruits. Right? Ngoba wena unje uphathanani. The fruits is what you say. Uyayibona lento le. Okay mntomdala. Uyayithola lento le.
Yes.
What you say, it's the fruits, because into eshoyo impilo mntwini. Uyayithola phathanani. Umuntu ezehlola, ubona ukuthi cha lo abadingi next lo muntu. All they need is time for me to sit down naye ngikhuluma. Ngitshela ngililalela. Ngicela ubuye ngelanga elithize, asambise entabeni. Sambise entabeni sihlale entabeni sikhulu. Abuyele ekhaya. Mkhulu ngiyabonga. Akhala umuntu athi mkhulu ngiyabonga. Into bengiyidinga. Nothing else. but we are neglecting that part of the person. We can sound as intelligent as we want, Patanani. We can sound, I don't know. But at the end of the day, the more you neglect the person, the cycle is going to repeat itself. And where's Umukobela, who didn't heal? That is going to transfer to your children.
I think inkinga inkulu la ngaphandle mkhulu uzongivumela or ungiphikisa mawungiphikisa silimele.
Yes. Kaku Patanani silimele. And uyayibona social media but bayayifihla. Umuntu uyayifihla. Ake ngikhiphe igama. Ulimele umama. Ulimele umama kakhulu, ulimele. That's why they are able to say angisaseyilokhu mina namhlanje, angisaseyilokhu ya. Abantu abadala manje Patanani, we need to be honest, sebafana nezambatho. Right? Abantu abadala, the gift that you have isifana nezambatho. Ngendlela enjani, we can put it on, we can take it off.
There's a statement I want to read for you. Yes. And I need your thoughts.
Okay.
It's based on what we are talking about.
Okay.
We need to be healers.
Yes.
Capable of reconciling families. What's your thoughts on this statement?
Mtomdala, we need to reconcile families, right? Kodwa kunamanye ama-family you need to cut off.
Okay.
Ngizokunika umzekelo. My dad's side of the family, I needed to cut them off. I didn't know this until ugogo nalo ongiphethe showed me certain things ngabo. Kodwa libele athi no, ngoba awukafundi. Ngiyakuyekela uyele ngiyakudedela because I want you to learn. Labantu la idlozi elibaphethe. That's ruling ekhaya. Alikulungelanga wena. Patanani, I was doing voiceovers for Itakalani Sesame, right? And then, which was well and good. That was in 2019, I think. And then after Lapo, they liked my voice, and then I left. The contract ended, and then was called later on. Batik Mina, there's a company from India. They buy Bafuna English for their telenovela, and they're looking for a main character, and then they suggested me. So I audition. I passed the first audition, called back, and then that was on Wednesday. I was called, you need to come and sign the contract. Right? So ngababuzo okay, how much are we looking at? It was 1.1 million. 1.1 million. Right? I think those episodes were 1,700 and something episodes, right? Only voiceovers. And then, it's fine. I can come on Monday, but Monday is fine. The problem I made, ngasuka la bengihlala khona ngahamba ngaye ekhaya kobaba. Idlozi langale liyadla. It doesn't give liyadla. And that's not the only thing. Ziningi izinto zenzakala at the moment ngiyangale, I lose things. The moment
okay, now I asked this.
Yes.
I read this statement. Because uthe ulimelu mama.
Yes.
Yes, we're not naming.
Yes.
So when I wrote this, I was just thinking about the kids. Abasizakale kulo mama lo.
Yes.
Then I was also thinking about the families. Balabantwana abasizakale kulo mama
Thank
lo.
you.
Remember, some family members abayifuni land. Some family members, they don't have money.
Yes.
Some family members, they have to go get a loan.
Get loans, yes.
Just to make sure.
Yes, 100%.
So that's why I was asking, but what's your say?
And in this one, Patanani, it shows how selfish people are. It shows how selfish people are. Awumcabangele omunye umuntu. Uyayibona le nto le. Uyazi ukuthi uMichael wayenganayo imali. And wena wamthembisa ukuthi ngizokuthwasisa. And I believed also ngoba ukuthi angibalalela abantu abadala. I believed you. Angenzi. Ngase ngiyaya kuwena. Wangithwasisa ngaba right ngaphila. Usuyakunqoba ke wena. Uyashintsha yonke into. Hayi mina sengiyilokhu ya. Okay, I don't have a problem with that. But at the end of the day, abantu abadala they will send you to a person to learn what not to do and what to do. laba abatholile abaphilile baphilile. But inkinga yini, like you're saying, the family members laba abakhona that are saying uyabona yonke lento le bekwamanga nagobe lakho sekashintshile sekuyini. It's a problem because we are being tainted bad. Bese itshela ukuthi it's cult. Umuntu omdala siyayazi cult yini. Because cult is everywhere.
I think that's the problem now.
Yes.
Sizothola abantu be under depression because of the people.
Yes.
Abana inkinga zabo zomhlaba.
Yes, Patanan. But who's healing those people?
Yes.
That's my problem. Who's healing those people? That's why I think at some point umkhuluma vuso did highlight ukuthi siyabadinga laba abanyama. We need them. So that abantu bazothi, "Hi man, umkhulu qaba unayo program that focuses on me." Also abantu abadala, yes, but he focuses on healing me and merging my healing neyabantu abadala, because ultimately when I heal you, we are also healing abantu abadala. Ezinye izinto they are going to fall off on their own, but kunalezi ke ezofuna ukuthi sambe semazini sambe sentabeni and but others will just fall on their own. Uyayibona lento le.
My Munchies and Thoughts family, I hope you are still enjoying the episode. Engikufundile engisakufunda komkhulu kubalekile ukuthi nawe uphole.
Yes.
Kubalekile ngoba sifacea
Yes.
izinto eziningi la emhlabeni. And of course, don't forget, guys, do follow iData Bank on social media platform, Instagram, TikTok, as well as Facebook, and do download app iData Bank. Guys, there is money there. I want to say thank you to Data Bank because they are our partner. I'm going to read another statement for you. When you just give your thoughts.
Yes,
few light workers, few servants of God, very few healers whose hearts are in the right place. What's your thoughts?
There's a few.
Talk to me and talk to the man.
Let me put it this way. Abantu abaningi bagijimela la kunomsindo khona.
Okay.
You know, la kunomsindo khona abantu bayathanda. That's why people are even not even ashamed ukuthi mina ngiyathi ngithengisa idliso, mina ngithengisa igubhu, mina ngithengisa lokho, mina ngithengisa lokho. Right? It's a problem, and it shows how wounded we are as a person, as khohlumkhulu. It shows how wounded you are, you. Uyayibona. So uma uthengisa idliso, that person can hurt another person. Are you healed, you yourself? Because as a healer, the word healer, uyapholisa, awukhubazi. Uyayizwa lento le. Abantu abaningi bayenzani? Siyakhubaza instead. But the majority, yazi bakhona abaningi abekho kulontozana ku TikTok noma on social media that are good. But in any case, this thing is yin and yang. All of us, we have good, bad and good inside of us, whether we like it or not, right? You can say you're a light worker, yes, because it needs balance, this thing. There has to be a balance. Yeah, but so, an empty team makes a lot of noise. That's the truth, and but it shows what our nation, thina abantu abansundu silimale kakhulu to a point where asane ndaba ukuthi ngikhubaza omunye umuntu ukuthi mina ngikhona ukuthola imali. Unkhola ukudla mina. Uyayithola lento le. I wasn't on TikTok I just started being on TikTok, I think 2020 or something, 2020, 2021. Yeah, that's only then I came. I was big on Facebook. And ngihlezi ngisho ngithi bakwethu into kumele niyazi, as long as wena uthi umuntu uza kuwena wena wakho umsebenzi wakho ukukhubaza abantu, awuphilisi uyakhubaza, so you're not a healer. Ngicela ungathi uyihealer umuntu omdala. Don't say you are a healer. What
if your gifts ukuthi ukhubaze? Actually, our gifts are not the same.
Lalela into omdala. Lelo dlozi lelo lokuthwele, elokukhubaza. Le right uzokhubaza abantu. Kwamele ukhubaza omunye umuntu ukhubaza. Why wena muntu omdala uyalazi ukuthi lakhubaza? Ulamkelelani unless you are like that yourself.
Okay.
Godwa ngicela uyibheke kanjani? Bakhona ekhaya bakhubazayo, especially ngobaba ngiyabazi, because I'm not that person. But angifuni mina yonke lento le. Angifuni mina yonke lento le. That's why I was able umkhulu nogogo bathi phuma lapha yamfana ngoba sesebonisile ngithi phuma lapho. Makube uyafuna ungangena, it's okay. Remember, this thing is a choice. Maku uyafuna kuyakubona, iyabona, it's okay. Kodwa thina kade sikunakekela yonke impilo yakho. But bese kuzo omunye umuntu khehla yazini, hey ekhaya kunomuntu owasithakatha wenza kanje manje ugogo akasikho right in try okay yabona lapho ke ufuna impindi hayi asicela impindi.
So
I'm balancing. We're balancing.
Do you offer idliso?
No. Uzokudlisa kahle mina ukhipha idliso. Uzokudlisa kahle ukhipha idliso.
Let's talk about the winter of the heart.
Winter of the heart, Winter of the heart is a process that a lot of people are afraid to go through. Winter of the heart is when abantu abadala, you feel like abeko. We feel like awunasiphiwo wena. You feel like everything is a lie. Literally, you are in winter, everything is dying, so to speak. Yeah, so uyahamba esigodlweni, uyakhuleka kuthule kuthe tu. Abantu abezi kuthule kuthe tu i-relationship yakho kuba yinifadem. Yonke into ihlangahlangana. But winter of the heart does not mean yonke into ihlangahlangana. It means you need to search deep into yourself now and hibernate. Move away from a lot of things. And this is where fasting comes in. Fasting, you don't fast because manje ufuna imali. No, you fast so that uzozilungisa wena. Inhlambululo nayo ukufast. Uyasihlambulula emoyeni. Within these things ezenzakalayo abantu abadala. I may not hear you. I may not see you. Kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi nikhona. So you are turning all of these things, your insecurities, nani, you are burying them into the soil and they're becoming a manure. So isama umisifika, the fruits that you're going to give are wempilo partner. So we need to go through a process of isolation. Stay away from social media for some time. You know, sometimes partner, there are moments where I'm on TikTok. I'm God. No, I'm sekai. Angiboni. Sometimes ngiyasuka ngihambe ngiye KZN. Ngihlalele nje lapho mhlambe iweek yonke, iviki lonke. Sometimes naye umkhulu lo zenayi uyazi ukuthi singabonani for 2 weeks.
Because you need your time.
Yes, and I'm also giving him his time. But my time, I'm still searching for my holiness, my wholeness to become a better person daily. And to become closer and closer. That's why I even say, this is what I call myself. I'm a seeker of knowledge, wisdom, and truth. Wow. That's what I seek.
You know, it just reminded me something. You know, I will be in my house, running around in the house, like by myself.
Yes.
And I will leave the office on Friday, go to a poker store from this airport.
Yes, obviously.
Get myself bottles of champagne or wine.
Yes.
Friday. I'll be in the house Friday until Sunday.
Yes.
The only time I'll go out is Monday when I'm taking the kids to school, going to work.
And that time is necessary.
And I can go. I've got a lot of people I know. I can go anywhere.
Yes.
But that moment, no, I just want to be.
You want to be in isolation.
Wow.
That's what happens. That's what winter does. In winter, you will not find cockroaches. In winter, you will not find flies. They're all hibernating. They're fixing themselves. They've gathered enough food upila through winter. But what have you gathered for yourself to survive winter of the heart?
Wow. Let's talk about cleaning the vessel.
Now, so cleaning of the vessel goes back to healing the healer. Right. We mostly focus on the content. We don't focus on cleaning this. This is what we also need to clean. Lento le uma imnyama. Lamaza ngaphakathi ngeke wabona ukuthi clean. There's going to be conflict. There's going to be conflict all the time, right? Me as a vessel, I need to go through processes of cleansing, right? Cleansing my traumas, the traumas that I went through and, right? So after having went through the process of cleansing, it's going to be easy for abantu abadala ukuhlaseka kunina. And when they come with their own traumas now, because I've done most of the work on myself, then now it's easy for me to focus on ingulo yabo. It makes it much easier and it makes it more bearable. Let's put it this way. Abantu abadala, they'll make you do things sometimes, but I used to be a Jesus. I used to call myself a Jesus freak back in university.
Oh,
yes.
okay.
I used to call myself a Jesus freak anyway. And then again, abantu abadala took me to church. I stayed at church for 3 years. Inside the church. 3 years. Gwaza iskati la I had to leave. Angiphumanga ngendlela right kodwa bekumele ngiphume. And then and during that time I was still seeing things. Right? Then gwaza umkhulu athi kumina, there's things that I need you to learn. So I saw myself going inside a lecture hall. Abantu and then other students were going out. Ngithola umkhulu nogogo bahlezi phansi. But there's things that we need to teach you. Khona kumele ukwazi. This is why we took you to a Bible school. Because there's things that you need to rewrite. Remember what I spoke about the book? Yes, all right. There's things that you need to rewrite. However, we need to first deal with what? With the vessel. We need to first cleanse the vessel. We need to first cleanse the spirit of the mind. You don't cleanse the spirit of the mind. And where are the most battles? The most battles happen in here. We are born. So if this vessel, ayihlanjululwanga, right? Angithi uhlanjulula umoya mawuhlambulula umuntu, uhlambulula umoya, uhlambulula nomzimba. Angithi. So uma umhlambululile umuntu ke, ingqondo uyihlambulula kanjani? It's sitting down nomuntu. Affirmations, daily affirmations. I'm better. I am this. I'm full of love. I am. Yeah. We are born into a gisho. So once the vessel is clean, abantu abadala bazokhona ukuhlaliseka. So when they basebangena bahlaliseka phathanani, you are able to detect ukuthi man, this is not me. Umkhulu bakangena when all of a sudden manje usuthanda bafazi. You know what? Nganginentombi eyodwa. Manje sengifuna intombi eziwu3.
Something is wrong.
Uyayibona lento le because you've done the work. Uyayibona. You've done the work. You know yourself now. You may not know yourself 100%, but you know yourself. Right? Makangena lo mkhulu lo, uthola ukuthi ngiyaxolisa. Uthola ukuthi lo mkhulu lo kwakuyisifebe. You are sleeping around. Ashiya ingane everywhere. Mkhulu lo ayenze lokhu. Bese kwenzani dalela wena inkinga. Right? So mina ke uma sehlala kumina kube into yokuthi hayi mara mkhulu wena kahle usishangana ngawe. Asihlale phansi esikhulu bangithi kuthiwa manje hey siyaphaphatha sibantu singababoni kodwa labo bakhuluma noJesus bona bayambona but in any case asikho lapho.
Anyway, my Manches and Thoughts, we don't finish content like Manches and Thoughts.
Yes.
I want you to give your word of wisdom, then we are closing the show. So that in future you come back.
Yes. There comes moments in life that you also need to put yourself first. There comes moments where you need to negotiate nabantu abadala ukuthi bantu abadala angiphilanga kahle. Ngikhubazekile. Ngicela nje sibe kancane, ngani. Ngicela ukulunga nje mina. Angenzeli mina ngedwa, kodwa ngenzela nani. Ukuthi sonke sikhona ukuphila. Uyayizwa lento le. Because this thing is partnership. It's partnership. There needs to come a time where you hibernate. Kube work phela. Focus on you.
Wow.
Focus on you.
Kunesikhathi lapho kumele ufocuse kuwena.
Yes.
I hope nizwile uqeba uchazile.
Yes.
My Manches, I want to say thank you so much for your support, your love. Guys, you are always there for me, and I really appreciate you. Don't forget, Manches and Thoughts Roundtable is coming. Manches and Thoughts on the Move is coming. My first stop will be KZN in June. Then Manches and Thoughts Roundtable is starting next month, and I am so excited. We are also celebrating 5 years of Manches and Thoughts on the 17th of May, so please do join us. It's going to be beautiful. Tickets only 450. Guys, space is limited. I love things that are intimate because sometimes I shoot. So, and I want people to engage with me, to ask me questions, as well as the people links by invited, because I can invite you, it's okay, come. Just want people to talk to you. So I love them like that. So your support is just to pay 450 and then you'll get food. Uzodla, it's a buffet. So guys, please do that. And my book as well, guys, is doing very well. I want to say thank you so much. You know, my matches are amazing all over.
Yes.
You know, this book is all over.
I mean, I'm amazing myself. So obviously, we are all amazing. We have to be amazing.
This book. And of course, don't forget to Download the app your data bank. That's our new partner, guys. But of course I'll get there. On that note, it's a wrap, and thank you so much, Mkhulu.
Ngiyabonga,
We'll be doing a
Thank you
challenge.
so much.